Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to present to you a fantastic opportunity, a beautiful house for sale in the serene neighborhood of Karapitiya. Join us as we explore the features and charm of this wonderful property. Nestled on a generous land extent of 14 perches, this house offers the perfect blend of space, comfort, and convenience. Step inside, and you'll find three spacious bedrooms, all air-conditioned to ensure your comfort even during the hottest days. With two bathrooms, complete with hot water facilities, mornings and evenings are sure to be a breeze. The living area provides a cozy space for relaxation and entertainment, while the kitchen, complete with a pantry, is perfect for whipping up delicious meals for your loved ones. Step outside, and you'll discover a beautiful garden where you can unwind amidst nature's tranquility. Need some downtime? The TV lobby area offers the perfect spot to catch up on your favorite shows or enjoy a movie night with family and friends. For added security, the house is equipped with CCTV, ensuring peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Additional features include parking space for two vehicles, just a 5-minute walk to Karapitiya, and the land is surrounded by a protective wall, ensuring privacy and security. Located in a decent neighborhood, this house offers the perfect setting for you to create lasting memories with your family. If you're interested in learning more about this wonderful property, don't hesitate to call the provided number 07761674242. Your dream home in Karapitiya awaits. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more incredible properties and real estate opportunities. Until next time, happy house hunting.